Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be talking about a new smartwatch launched by Celicor in India, the ActFit A3 Pro. So ActFit A3 Pro is launched in India for a price of around 2949. That's almost close to 3000 rupees, and it's a premium smartwatch from Celicor. Now Celicor is one of the brands which has been producing a lot of feature phones in India. So now they have announced 3 new smartwatches, and one of them is the Celicor ActFit A3 Pro. So we're going to talk about this watch and what all features it offers and how it looks and how good the interface is, the battery life, everything we'll talk about in this video. So before getting into the video, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that red subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So this is the box package. It's quite a unique box. You can see Celicor ActFit A3 Pro is mentioned, and it's a really good box actually. Now you can see the specifications or main features mentioned here. SpO2, 24 hours dynamic heart rate, IP68, multi-sports mode, screen size of 1.28 inches, and around 7 to 10 hours of 7 to 10 days of battery life is what the company claims. And you also have an app for Android as well as iOS to play to connect it. So we'll talk about that. So this is the black variant. So let's just open the box first. So there you go. So opening up, you can see this is the watch, and we also get the charging cable. It's a proprietary charging cable, and you also get the manual here, and you can see the warranty information also included here. So this is the brand, and something other products of the brand is also listed here. So let's just keep this aside. So nothing much inside except for the charging case. So let's see the watch now. So the packaging is pretty good, you can see here. Now let's talk about the watch. So you can see that it has a round dial and a pretty large dial as well. So there you can see here the dial looks good. It's really good in terms of the color reproduction. The colors are really good, and you can also see that silicone strap looks pretty good. We would have liked a slightly more premium strap, probably kind of matte finish, but nevertheless this does give a good fit and finish. And you can see that the sensors here, the charging port, and you can also remove the strap. So build quality is definitely good. You can see that the sides have been given a matte finish. The button looks good. The Celicor branding is on the strap also. So overall the fit and finish and build quality looks pretty good. Now talking about the display. Now display is again pretty good. The colors are mostly accurate. The viewing angles are good. You can also increase the brightness levels. Now if you look at the interface, you can see here, if you swipe from the top, you can see that the brightness levels can be changed. Then flashlight, then settings you can go. You can see here brightness levels you can increase or decrease. Then settings also you can see here different modes are there. You can control the music. Flashlight is there. Bluetooth functionality. Then you can see the steps taken. You can have multiple watch faces. We'll talk about that. Then if you swipe from the bottom, you can see that the steps you're taken, then heart rate, then music control, sleep quality, then the temperature or rather the weather. So what stands out for the Celicor ActFit A3 Pro is that everything has a neat animation. So you can see here everything has an animation which is kind of different because most of the smartwatches do not offer that. Now here you can see that you can connect to the messages. Then here we have additional modes, like you can see here different sports mode: walk, run, cycling, climb, yoga, basketball, football, badminton, then skipping and swimming. So a lot of modes are there. Then you can see here breathing exercise is there. Then watch face, you can change the watch faces. There are multiple watch faces available even in the app as well. We'll talk about that in a while. Then stopwatch, blood oxygen level is also there. Then you can remotely control the shutter, and power off control is also there. So it's a fairly good UI in terms of features being offered, and the response is also pretty good. You can see here very smooth response, and if you just swipe from the bottom also you can see here very smooth, and animations are really good, and the overall experience is pretty good. Now we have tried this watch actually for last few days, and we found that couple of things. One is the heart rate is pretty much accurate. We tested with medical grade equipment, and it was getting us pretty much closer value. So it is kind of definitely more or less accurate. But again, once again, I would like to say to our viewers that this is not a medical grade equipment, so you should not be depending upon these values alone. So that I've been saying in almost all the smartwatches reviews. These are just for indicative value. These are not medical grade. So heart rate and SpO2 measurement are kind of not completely dependent, but again you can have an indicative value. So even the SpO2 measurement, that's the blood oxygen level measurement, was also very much accurate when you compare with the medical grade equipment. So that's the experience, and so software experience also looks pretty good. We didn't see any sort of issues here, and the response is also pretty good, and the display screens is also pretty nice. Now next, battery life, 7 to 10 days of battery life is what is expected. So on an average 7 to 8 days it should be gettable, but again if you do a lot of workouts, then probably you might get slightly lesser, but 1 week of battery life on an average usage should be good enough. So that's the performance side. Now let's have a look at the app. So this is the app, it's available in the Play Store. You can scan the QR code in the box to get the app available on both the Play Store as well as iOS. So you can see here, you get all the details here. Exercise, you can start here, blood oxygen level, whatever measurement you're taken, the last workout mode, heart rate, sleep monitoring, everything is there. You can pair the device, you can get all the reminders, device, alarm. Then there is also sedentary reminder to start walking after a period of time. Then drinking water reminder is also there. Then find my device, time format, all those things can be set. You can control the camera as well as the music playback. Then watch faces, you can see some interesting watch faces are there, so you can change the watch faces here as well. So plenty of options are there in the app, and it's a pretty good app in terms of features being offered. So this is the app for the Selecor ActFit A3 Pro. Now let's just wear this watch, and I'll just show you how it looks on my hand, and we'll just measure the heart rate as well. So I'll just wear this in my hand, and it actually fits perfectly well. There are two colors mentioned in the box actually, blue and black is mentioned. We have got the black actually. So there you go. I'll just measure the heart rate here. So you can see here I'm just measuring. Even while measuring, you can see that the animation looks really nice. So there you go. Then we also have the SpO2 measurement as well. SpO2 measurement is from here. I'll just take here. So there you go. So there you go, the values have been mentioned here. So this is the Selecor ActFit A3 Pro, the new smart watch announced by Selecor, and this is priced 2949 and available on Amazon. So we'll share the link in the description of this video to buy this watch. So overall it's a pretty good watch in terms of features being offered, and build quality and fit and finish also looks quite good. So that was our experience with the Selecor ActFit A3 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.